Hello everyone, in this video, we are going to see some very useful phrasal verbs. You may think, why should I learn this? Let me tell you, for fluent English speaking you just need to know phrasal verbs. Take off equals to remove something, to leave a place, often suddenly. I need to take off my jacket, it's getting warm in here. She took off her shoes and walked barefoot on the beach. He took off after the meeting to catch his train. When he saw me coming, he took off in the opposite direction. Take out equals meaning, to remove something from a container or a place. She took out a book from her bag to read. Don't forget to take out the garbage. The teacher asked us to take out our pencils for the test. I'll take out the batteries from the remote to save power. The cat likes to take out toys from the box and play with them. They took out the old carpet and put in a new one. The nurse will remove the stitches after your surgery. Withdraw money from an account, we use take out. Example, I need to take out some cash from the ATM. Bring back equals to return something to its location, previous place, or owner. Please bring back my book when you're done with it. That song brings back memories of my childhood. Please bring back all library books by the end of this week. Can you bring back my pencil, please? Look for equals to search for something or someone. I am looking for my phone. Lena is looking for a new job. We are looking for a new business partner. I am sorry, we are looking for someone who can speak English. The police might be looking for thief. Come out equals to be released or become available. The sun came out from behind clouds. The new album is coming out next month. These animals only come out at night. Go through equals to experience something bad or difficult or a procedure. Lily is going through a difficult time right now. She had to go through a lot of hardships to achieve her goals. I need to go through my files to find that important document. The trainer will go through the process of using the software. Come across equals to meet or find someone or something by chance. I came across an old neighbor in London. I came across a group of children playing. Why don't you come across to our house this evening? Meet someone or something by chance. Example, yesterday, I came across an old friend I hadn't seen in years. To cross a barrier or obstacle physically. Example, we came across a bridge that led to the other side of the river. Hold back equals to restrain or to prevent something from happening. She holds back her tears. I could not hold back my laughter. She couldn't hold back her tears when she heard the sad news. He had to hold back his anger and remain calm in the face of criticism. Go on equals to continue examples. The meeting went on for 3 hours. The match is still going on. Look at equals to remove eyes to see someone or something. Look at the machine quite carefully before you buy it. He looked at the food on his plate. People looked at her in astonishment. Look at you! It's 11 o'clock and you're still in bed. Get along equals means having a good relationship with someone or manage or cope with a situation. I wonder how my best friend is getting along with her new job. She doesn't get along with her coworkers. I find it easy to get along with my colleagues at work. How did you get along during your trip without a tour guide? Looking forward equals something that is going to happen in the future. I'm really looking forward to the concert next weekend. We're looking forward to your visit. It will be great to see you. I'm looking forward to the weekend. I can't wait to relax and spend time with my family. Put off equals generally means to postpone or delay something. They put off their wedding due to the pandemic. He keeps putting off cleaning his room and it's getting messy. We had to put off the project deadline to allow for more preparation time. She put off deciding until she had more information. The company decided to put off the product launch until next quarter. Put on equals to wear or dress oneself equals example. I need to put on my coat before going outside. Or you should put on your new shoes. To apply or place something equals example. She put on some sunscreen before heading to the beach. To activate or start something equals example. Let's put on a movie and relax. To pretend or act like equals example. She put on a smile even though she was feeling sad. To host or organize an event equals example. The school is putting on a talent show next week. Or, the company is putting on a team-building retreat for its employees. Turn on equals, we use it in devices or electrical parts. Let's turn on the TV and watch a movie. It's getting warm, let's turn on the AC. I turned on my mobile when I reached home. She asked them why they hadn't turned the lights on.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Speak English intelligently.